Meet the Future Truck 2025, a prototype of an autonomous semi-truck developed by German automaker Mercedes-Benz and the engineers at Daimler Trucks. This sleek and futuristic semi-truck is a glimpse at what's in store for an upcoming revolution in long-distance road transport. Mercedes-Benz is utilizing its semi-autonomous driving technology that's already available on its S-Class sedans and coupes. This unexpected beauty can be driven by an automated system called Active Drive Assist, where the human does the thinking but the computer does the driving. So the driver is seated behind the wheel, but he or she will be able to work on a tablet computer, plan the next journey, or check on the condition of the freight stored on smart pallets in the semi-trailer. This semi-truck, which can reach speeds up to 80 km per hour or about 50 miles per hour, has soft rounded contours and a grid of powerful LEDs. When operating in manual mode, its lights shine white, but when it's operating in auto driving mode, its lights transition to a pulsing blue to notify drivers nearby. The brain behind this semi-autonomous operation is its highway pilot, which is a system comparable to autopilot on a plane. In order to get the full picture of its surroundings, Future Truck 2025 houses a network of radar sensors and cameras that capture the spatial awareness required for autonomous driving. It also features new blind spot detection technology that optimizes the onboard radar to monitor each side of the truck. It doesn't have standard exterior mounted mirrors, but instead interior mounted screens. Using vehicle-to-vehicle communication, the truck automatically changes lanes to allow enough room to pass a car broken down on the side of the road. When an emergency vehicle approaches from the rear, the semi-truck will pull over to allow room to pass. The Future Truck 2025 also includes a three-dimensional digital map, which corresponds with its predictive powertrain control or PPC technology. These commingling systems react to fluctuations in the terrain and topography, and therefore help maximize fuel efficiency. This semi-truck could revolutionize the long-haul trucking industry, especially if government restrictions related to autonomous driving become more relaxed in the near future. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.